Welcome, tea enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the vibrant world of hibiscus tea, where every sip is a journey into wellness. Picture this: a tapestry of crimson petals unfurling, a dance of flavors that awakens your senses. Join us as we unravel the mysteries behind the creation of this botanical elixir, explore its rich history, and sip our way through a garden of health benefits. Get ready to steep into a world where taste meets tranquility. It's time to discover the hibiscus revolution. Hibiscus tea, crafted from the vibrant petals of the Hibiscus sabdarifa flower, isn't just a beverage. It's a celebration of nature's palate. The production begins with the careful plucking of these crimson beauties, known for their tart and slightly tangy flavor profile. After a meticulous drying process, the petals are ready to perform their magic. Whether you prefer it hot or iced, the journey from petal to pour is a testament to the artistry of tea making, where each sip carries the essence of blooming hibiscus fields. To make hibiscus tea, steep dried hibiscus petals in hot water for 5 to 10 minutes. Use 1 to 2 teaspoons of dried petals per cup. Add honey or sweetener if desired. Strain, chill, and serve over ice for a refreshing iced tea. Experiment with citrus slices or mint for added flavor. Hibiscus tea, derived from the petals of the Hibiscus sabdarifa flower, boasts a rich and complex chemical composition that contributes to its vibrant color, distinctive flavor, and numerous health benefits. The key components include anthoxidants. These are powerful antioxidants responsible for the deep red color of hibiscus tea. Anthocyanins have been linked to various health benefits, including anti-inflammatory and cardiovascular protective effects. Vitamin C. Hibiscus tea is a notable source of vitamin C, an essential nutrient with antioxidant properties. Vitamin C plays a crucial role in immune function, skin health, and collagen synthesis. Flavonoids. Beyond anthocyanins, hibiscus tea contains other flavonoids like quercetin and camphorol. Flavonoids contribute to the antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties of the tea. Organic acids. Hibiscus tea contains organic acids, including citric acid and hibiscus acid, which contribute to its tart flavor. These acids may also have mild diuretic properties, supporting kidney function. Polysaccharides. Hibiscus petals contain polysaccharides, which contribute to the tea's texture and mouthfeel. These compounds may have prebiotic effects, supporting gut health. Fiber. Hibiscus tea contains soluble and insoluble fiber, promoting digestive health and contributing to a feeling of fullness. Health benefits of hibiscus tea. Combating free radicals. The antioxidants, particularly anthocyanins, in hibiscus tea help neutralize free radicals, protecting cells from oxidative stress and potentially reducing the risk of chronic diseases. Blood pressure regulation. Hibiscus tea has shown promise in lowering blood pressure. It may help relax blood vessels and improve overall cardiovascular health, contributing to the prevention of heart diseases. Diuretic properties. The natural diuretic effect of hibiscus tea may assist in reducing water retention and supporting weight management. Antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects. Hibiscus tea's antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties may contribute to liver health by reducing oxidative stress and inflammation. Antioxidant properties. Some studies suggest that the antioxidant compounds in hibiscus tea may have protective effects against certain types of cancer, although further research is needed for conclusive evidence. Flavonoids at work. The flavonoids in hibiscus tea, such as quercetin and camphorol, contribute to its anti-inflammatory effects, potentially aiding in the management of inflammatory conditions. Drink hibiscus tea 2 times a week to reap the maximum benefits out of it. Hibiscus tea is typically calorie-free. The calorie content of hibiscus tea is negligible, making it a great choice for those looking to enjoy a flavorful and refreshing beverage without adding extra calories to their diet.